Alright, so guys, this is part 3. I'm trying to answer some questions. Some of you guys are asking what size tire I prefer. I just go with factory. I mean, even though I have the HREs, they're factory. They're 19s. The rear is 295/30 19s, and the front is 235/35 19s. Yeah, I just run factory because I don't want to stray away from the factory. I don't want to hinder the performance, so keep it factory. What I think about the 991 versus 992, they're nice, beautiful cars, but they're more luxurious. They're bigger, they're wider. They look big. The size is the same. I think from nose to tail, same length, but they're definitely wider. They're definitely wider and more luxurious. If you go inside, it feels more. It's fast, but it's more luxurious. What I like about a 997 is more visceral. It has a more visceral feel. It's more raw. It's like analog. Just like watches. I love my analog watches. It's more, to me, it's more classic than, you know, the new iPhone, all these digital watches. That's how I look at this car. The 997 versus the 991, 992 is more visceral. It's more analog. It's more mechanical. So, and it feels a little smaller. I like it. Good for driving. Some of you asked me about stereo system. I don't really care for stereo. I mean, I had that when I was in high school. I used to have the biggest, loudest stereo on my car, and I'm kind of over that. So I just have the stock stereo, and I listen to it, but I'd rather listen to my car and driving experience better. The Cadillac is for maybe more the luxury feel, and the stereo, I suppose. Let's see. Oh, and I'm gonna take a. I don't think I ever took a picture or video of the inside of my car, so let's go check it out. So everything in this car was painted from the factory. It was an option. See, I love the rear seats. Rear seats are painted. Red seat belts. The logo on the crest. I'm not sure you get to see it. Logo on the crest. Everything is stock. Stock radio. Stock everything. Like I said, I like to keep my car stock. I'm not gonna. If I do upgrade it, it's gonna have to look stock, you know. I think the 997 second gen has a big screen. I think it's touchscreen too. It's cleaner look, but to me, I don't care. Just add more to the analog look that I like. I'm a designer, so I pay attention to all the little details. For example, the front light, the turn signal light. If you see here, you see how the edge is sharp. If you see the 997 second gen, the corner rounds off right here. It rounds off and it goes down. I definitely like this version better. To me, it looks more, I don't know, it just works for me. The other one just a little more soft, a little more round. So if you look at the front lip, there's a regular GT2 lip that's about this height, but this one is a GT2 cup. So it's much lower than this. This is the second one I bought. I trimmed like, I think, an inch off of it because it was really low, and even this is pretty low right here. I trimmed an inch off. I bought this one, the cup version, because there's the vent delete or the holes. I didn't like the holes. I like it solid. My inspiration from that was I was looking through Ferraris, and I saw the Ferrari F40. If you look at F40, there's this black lip, and that's my inspiration for this one. So I didn't want the holes because, again, I'm a designer, so I kind of look at everything. If you look at the front, my car is kind of dirty right now. Has all these yellow stains in the front. If you look at the front, there's enough holes. I don't want to add any more holes in the front, especially for the lip. So, yeah. So my inspiration was the F40. Okay, let's see if I can get some sound. Get some sound for it. at 2,000, 3,000. Continental tires, I will be getting the Michelin Pilot Super Sport because they last a little longer and they provide almost the same, they provide the same grip or even better. These Continentals are cool, but they don't last me like 10,000 miles. And yeah, I'm gonna need something that lasts a little longer. 10,000 miles is kind of crazy. I think the Michelin Super Sport lasts about, I think 20,000 miles, maybe 30. So it's kind of double. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I think I read 20 or 30,000 miles. It's a lot better than 10,000 miles. Okay, these are the Porsche big brakes. If you get the Carrera S, it comes with the brakes. So like I said, get the S.